Today we talk about how can you disable mentions notifications on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. Just go down, click in this sign down here. You come to your profile, then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next appear, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just click here on Threads into replace. You just click on it, you go down, you keep going down, then you click here on additional options in system settings. So then you come to this list here, click on notification categories, then you go down here, you just come to mentions, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean mentions notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.